Well, it's supposed to get really warm next week, so I've always wanted to try that out. It's just the very cheap GoPro, but I got everything safety attached to the bumper with zip ties, and yeah, hopefully that stays on there. But I'm just gonna go rip around the lake a little bit, hit some drifts. As you can see, we got lots of drifts out there, but they're pretty rock solid. And it's kind of windy out and cold, so yeah, we're gonna throw some gas in it, get that GoPro on the helmet, and take it for a rip. Not that one, this one. I don't know how well you can tell, but I don't know if that's going to be getting very good footage for us today. That is just vibrant like crazy. We'll see. Oh man, it didn't bite like I wanted to. It gets stuck so easily. This thing, one, is not very good in the deep stuff. It's not even deep, and it's heavy. Well, screw you. Oh. Not like starting the day out sweaty. Well, I don't know where the cameras died, but hopefully that turned out pretty good, because even though the snow is absolutely garbage in this video, it's about to get worse. Pretty fun though, pretty fun. I think I put 20 miles on. So me and my mom actually went on a big snowmobile trip. I rode that. My mom rode the 340. So that was really fun. I put in a few pictures of that trip, which there really wasn't any. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and we'll see you next time.